Captured at sea, what happened when U.S. sailors rescued German submariners? On April 17, 1943, a tense moment unfolded in the Atlantic when the German submarine U-175 came under attack by the USS Spencer. Severely damaged, the U-boat sank, leaving 41 surviving crew members struggling in the frigid waters. Despite being enemies just moments before, the American sailors of the Spencer quickly pulled the survivors aboard, offering them dry clothes, warm blankets, and medical care. To help them recover from the ordeal, they were given hot coffee, brandy, and cigarettes, followed by a warm meal. It was an act of humanity in the midst of war, but one can't help but wonder, would the treatment have been the same had the rescuers already witnessed the horrors of German concentration camps?